This song was created with the help of AI. AI was the one that composed the song, that did the beats. I didn't need to go to an expensive studio. I didn't need an expensive...
Me around every step I take His grace. I will dance and shout His praise. Joy overflow, I got joy.
You also have. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make AI songs and generate income from the song you put out there. All you need, like I said, is your creativity, a good laptop or a phone, and a very good internet connection. So let's dive in. What is AI music? AI music is music that you create with the help of artificial intelligence. You just give it the vibe, and the AI will create everything from you, ranging from the lyrics in the song to the vibe you want. Do you want a pop? Do you want a pop? Do you want an R&B? Do you want a Christian song? Just name it. I can tell you that AI will sing it for you, and you even have options to pick from the options that will be given to you, right? So it sounds interesting, right? So let's continue. So what are the free tools? There are free tools out there that you can actually use. At least they give you some credits that you can use to generate maybe 5 to 10 music. And if you think, oh, this is doing good, you can now pay for the next version. So here is my best AI tool. I generated that song from it, which is suno.ai. So it gives you, I think the free version gives you about 50 credits, which can use to generate about 10 songs. And it is so good. You can use boomy.com. Boomy is spelled BOOMY.com. It also helps you to generate songs. You have the free version of it as well. We have lila.ai. It also does the same thing. All you need to do is just to give them your prompt. Okay, I want a birthday song for my little niece. Her name is maybe Mofe. And you tell them, okay, this is the style of the song. This is the mood I want the song to look like. And I can tell you that you will get it in minutes. Like when I say minute, I mean minutes. So when you generate this song, how can you actually sell the song? Remember, the goal is actually to make money, right? So let's see, how can you sell the song? So you can put it on distribution companies. There are a lot of distribution sites out there that can help you distribute your song to different platforms. Name it from Spotify to YouTube to Instagram. And one that I use is called DistroKit. It helps you to distribute your song. All you need to do is just upload your song onto the website at once, and it helps you to distribute it to all the stores available that actually plays music. Apple Store, Samsung, anywhere that they actually play music, it can be distributed onto those platforms. And at the end of the day, you get paid for if they put it on maybe content, maybe it's on IG, Instagram, and it's been placed on content, and the content is monetized, you get paid. So DistroKit helps you to do all these things, right? Isn't that easy, right? And you can also sell. If you don't want to put it on DistroKit, you can even open a YouTube channel and upload it there. But with Suno, the free version might not allow you to upload. You might get copyright, but if it's a paid version, the song belongs to you. I'm going to be telling you how you can use Suno to generate the song. Now, when you can also put it on a YouTube channel, and if your channel becomes monetized, advert is placed on your content, and what do? You get paid for it, right? Then you can also meet some people, maybe your friends, your neighbors, and tell them, oh, I can generate songs for you, right? I can generate songs for you, special songs that are recorded just for you, and you get paid. You charge them for the song you're going to be generating for them, and you get paid. That is another way for you to make money. So I've given you 3 ways for you to make money, right? I've given you that you can upload it on a distribution platform like DistroKid. I've given you another one that says that you can put it on your content, maybe on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok. It all belongs to you as long as you're using the paid version of this AI generating tools, right? Then the other one, which is the third one, is you can meet your colleagues and friends and family and tell them, okay, this is a new business I've started in 2025 and it's making me cool money. I'll generate cool songs for you. And at the end of the day, it will just be customized for you, right? That's the third way. Another way in which you can make money is, remember I said you can open your YouTube channel, you can do Instagram, you can do TikTok, right? You can also put it there that this song can be customized to you. So you get clients online, because people that come to listen to your song on Instagram and they fall in love with it, they will want you to customize something for them and just create a simple store and do what? And put your song there. Put the link in your bio on your Instagram page or your TikTok page or your YouTube page, and people would reach out to you. Even people you do not know, they will reach out to you because they're falling in love with your song and they want something that you can customize for them. And that is the fourth way in which you can make money: creating songs from AI, right? You don't need to write the lyrics. So someone said, oh, what? I don't even know how to write lyrics for songs. So like I said, the AI tool can help you to write lyrics. What if you don't like the lyrics that this AI tool writes? There's another AI tool you can use to write your lyrics. You can use ChatGPT to actually write the lyrics. Actually, I love that because ChatGPT gives me option. I can prompt ChatGPT like 20 times and say, no, I don't like that verse 1, I don't like verse 2, I want to change the style. Do you understand? That is the vibe. So you can just put it on ChatGPT. I'll put a prompt in the description for you that you can use to start. So maybe you don't have a good prompt. Oh, ChatGPT, I want to create a better song for my 5-year-old daughter, and this is her name. Can you create 2 verses of song and 1 chorus for me? And ChatGPT will do what? You know, ChatGPT is just give me the prompt and I will do what? I will make it available for you. So once you get the prompts from ChatGPT, you now go to this AI, which is Suno, for example, and you put your prompt in Suno. Everything ChatGPT has given you the title, is giving you the style of the music. You put it on Suno and you do what? And you click on generate. And the beauty with Suno is going to give you 2 versions of that song. So if you don't like the first one, you can always do what? Go with the second one. And if you don't like both versions, you can always tell Suno to what? You can reprompt Suno to give you another 2 versions. That is the beauty of this AI. And like I said, if you're using the paid version, the song is yours. You do not have any copyright issue with it, which means you can sell it. You can even decide to sell the content. That's the song, the lyrics of the song. Their site, you can also sell the lyrics of the song and make money from it. Now, let's talk about if you have 3 orders in a day, and you're selling, maybe you're charging $30 per custom song. I'm talking about custom song now. You have 3 orders in a day. That means you're making about $100 in a month for simplicity, in a day rather, for simplicity. Now, $100 times 30 days in a month, that's cool $3,000 that comes to you, all because you've put your creativity to work, and all because you've decided that AI is good for you. So now let's look at how can you use ChatGPT and Suno to generate your music. So it's going to be a very short tutorial, and just follow this step. I'll put a prompt in the description for you to use ChatGPT and Suno to generate a music, and you're going to listen to a sample of the music that will generate as well. Okay, so let's go to our tutorial class.
This is the prompt I put on ChatGPT. Like, I want to write a song for my 5-year-old daughter, telling her I'm proud of her. Can you compose 1 verse and 1 chorus for me? Her name is Jane. And this is what ChatGPT gave me as the prompt, right? Now, I decided to give ChatGPT to tell me the title of the song and also to give me a style for the song. And ChatGPT gave me a title and a style for this song. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this song. I'm going to copy the verse 1 and the chorus from ChatGPT, and I would go to Suno to create the music. So this is suno.ai. You're going to log into suno.ai. Remember, I said the free version gives you about 50 credits that you can use to create about 10 songs, but it might have watermark. But with this, I'll just go to create, and when you come to create, you're going to click on custom. So custom, if you want just the AI to do everything for you, you can use the simple and just put the prompt on the AI. But with this, I'm going to click on custom and I'm going to post the song here, right? So this is, I'm going to post the song here, and I have my title as my Jane, which is the title that I got from ChatGPT. I also have my style here. And the next thing I'm going to click, you can see it's even giving me suggestion on styles, but I'm going to stick with the one ChatGPT gave me. So I'm going to click on create, and let's see the magic. So you can see it's already creating 2 versions of this song for me. So let's just wait a minute. So it's already creating it, and I can start playing it and see what does this have for me. So let's listen. And you can literally edit me. You don't want the sounds. Morning with your smile. Little footsteps dancing down the hall. Every laugh, every question, every mile. You're growing brave, you're standing tall. Wow. That's the first one. That's the first one you created for me. So let's see the second one. Jane, you love the morning with your smile. Little footsteps dancing down the hall. Every laugh, every question. So you can see that's literally gave me 2 versions of that song. And if I want more, maybe I don't like this 2 style, I can always prompt it to re-give me another 2 version, right? And all you need to do is just to click on this dot and click on download. You can download it as an audio version and give it to your client, or you can download it as a video version. But if you download as a video version, it has all this Suno watermark. But I'm going to do a video on how you can switch it up. We're going to be using Canva to do that. When you get the music here, we're going to turn it to video on Canva, and it becomes what? It becomes more expensive. So if you have not followed me yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure you follow me so that you do not miss out when I share the next video, the part 2 of this video. So that is how you make it on using CapCut and Suno. And if you want to use just Suno, why not? You can use just Suno. Suno will also compose the lyrics for you if you want to just go with Suno.
Now, at the end of the tutorial, you can see that it is very easy for you to do this even by the side. Like 3 songs in a day after your 9 to 5 is chicken change, right? So at this point, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I'll advise you subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be bringing you more content on how you can actually use AI to generate income. And let's forget about the notion that most people have that AI has come to take our jobs. No, if you know how to use AI very well, you're going to make money with the AI tools that are available. And if you still need one-on-one, maybe you need somebody to still hold your hands, why not? I'm available here for you to book my service. The link to book my one-on-one consultation will also be in the description if you want to book a one-on-one session with me, just to handhold you for the very first time while you begin to make money. So what part of this video really appealed to you? I want you to put it in the comment. I want everyone coming to the comments to wonder, oh, what is actually happening in this video. And if you think this is helpful, subscribe, share with your friends, and let's make the money together in 2025. Till I come your way next time with another topic on how you can make money using AI, I hope you remain blessed. Thank you.